Hello and welcome to Suman Dwivedi YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for the latest and most legit job updates. Today, we bring you an exciting opportunity from one of India's leading banks, SBI Junior Associate, Customer Support and Sales, Clerk Recruitment 2025. Stay tuned as we cover all the details: eligibility, application process, selection procedure, and more. Don't miss this golden opportunity to kickstart your banking career. SBI Junior Associate Recruitment 2025 position, Junior Associate, Customer Support and Sales, vacancies, 13,735 posts, SC, 2118, Cent, 1385, OBC, 3001, EWS, 1361, Gen, 5870. Location, anywhere in India. Qualification, graduation in any discipline, final year students can apply provisionally. Age limit, 20 to 28 years, as of 1st April 2024. Salary, 24,050 rupees to 64,480 rupees per month. Selection process, online tests, preliminary and main, and local language test. Application fee, SC Cent PWBD XS DXS, nil General OBC EWS, 750 rupees. Last date to apply, 7th January 2025. Apply online at SBI Careers. For detailed notification, check the official website.